Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have Glossybox and it is our July 2020 Glossybox, so let's get in and see what there is. I just ripped right into the box and I edited it out because it is a very loud sound, and this is what we have on the inside. Look how cool looking that box is this month. Oh my goodness, that is so cool looking. So another one of the beauties of Glossybox is their boxes. They do some really cool boxes sometimes. It's usually pink and they're so nice and firm that you can reuse them, but periodically they do special ones. How cool looking is that? I have a blue bathroom that I would like to find somewhere to put this. I mean, that looks like a decoration. I hope it's coming across. This is gold and it's so pretty, and the bottom is teal. Love it. All right. That's not the point. So let's get into the inside. Well, I tell you that Glossybox is a $21 per month subscription. The longer you sign up, the more the price drops. I will put my link below in case you have any interest in it. They gave me a code last month for 22% off, so I bet that still works. So I will put that down there too. And this is what the inside looks like. So let's just open it right up. They give us a nice little booklet that will tell us about all of the things that we have. I did see a couple of spoilers on this, so I know that there's some good stuff in here, and that's what it looks like on the inside. I love that the inside of the box is following that teal and coral theme too. So this is what it shows us on the inside, and that's everything that you're cheating, right? That's everything that we're going to have. And on the back it says, our birthday surprise. Next month, which will be August, we're celebrating our birthday and we couldn't be more excited. Not only do we have another incredible box waiting for you, but we have an even more exciting announcement. Ooh. A project we've been working on for almost 2 years is finally coming your way this August. That sounds exciting. Watch out, because Glossybox is about to become bigger and better than ever. I love that, because some boxes are going away. Like, first they did away with the Sephora Play. Now they're doing away, if you liked the Target box, they're doing away with that. So I love that while other boxes are going away, Glossybox is stepping up to the plate and saying, not us, we're going to do more. Okay, first, right out of the box, I have a globally sourced in Hawaii, single origin salt, Freeman Hawaiian black salt peel off mask. And it says this is 3 to 4 uses. So that's kind of neat. Hawaiian black salt peel off mask. Boost your skincare routine with this detoxifying peel off mask from Freeman Beauty. This skincare treatment helps gently exfoliate and rejuvenate skin for a luminous complexion. And it says this is an extra treat, so it's not even considered part of the box. That's interesting. And the full size is 6 fluid ounces at $4.29. And this is 1.18 fluid ounces. So this is just over 70 cents worth of product, but it was just a bonus treat. Okay, we'll dig right into the real stuff then. You guys who watch the channel know that I am thrilled to drag this out. It is a Daily Concepts Exfoliating Dual Scrubber Sponge. And this is what it looks like. I love the Daily Concepts products. Unabashedly, I just love them. I'm going to open this so we can get a good look at it. My husband and I both love scrubby stuff in the shower. He especially loves when I get him the bigger ones that are really aggressive that he can use on his back. And I actually just in my FabFitFun video had a back one that is amazing. So it's scrubby on one side, and then the back side has a place where you can put your hand. I don't think this is meant to be used on your face. We'll read about it. I mean, I guess you could, but I wouldn't. And it says, it's me time. And then on the back of their products, they say, it's time to replace me when this starts fading. So once the ink starts fading, you know it's time to replace it. This is full size, and it says exfoliating dual texture scrubber. This body scrubber is perfect for even the most sensitive skin to buff away dead skin cells and dirt. Plus, its shape covers more surface area to get more cleaning done in half the time. This is a $12 value. And like I said, I love the Daily Concept products. I get them on sale through FabFitFun in their sales, the edit sales, the add-on sales. They've added so many. We had a Memorial Day sale, then we just had a surprise sale. They have so many sales, but they almost always have the Daily Concept products in them. Okay, reaching in next, I have 2 Hask Monoi Coconut Oil Nourishing Deep Cleansing Conditioners. This is fantastic. I love putting oil in my hair these days. I used to avoid it because I have such fine, thin hair that I was like, oh, it'll weigh it down. But you know what? It's getting so long now, especially since we're not going out, or I'm not going out, and getting my hair cut, the ends, I mean, it's crazy. Look at, that's crazy long. So it needs all of the treatment and oils it can get. Let's see what the paperwork says. These are deluxe sachets. Show you what it looks like? That is what it looks like. I have 2 of them. Hask Monoi Coconut Oil Conditioner. Say hello to a tropical treat with this hydrating hair conditioner. Infused with softening Monoi oil, a blend of Tahitian gardenias and coconut oil to hydrate and strengthen. This conditioner protects against damage by softening and strengthening your hair locks. Plus, who doesn't love a little something extra? That all sounded fantastic, from the Tahitian gardenia and coconut oil to it's going to strengthen and protect against damage. I mean, I love it. It says a full size is 12 ounces and $6. So if you love it, that is so reasonable. This is 1.75 ounces each, so about 3.5 ounces. So I cannot wait to try that. I wish it was something we could open and smell, because I imagine it smells delightful. I am already loving this box better than June. You know, I always say I love Glossybox. I wouldn't cancel it because I really enjoy it. And just like, kind of like Allure, I always like it, but some months are better than others, and this month is just really speaking to me. They won me over right away with that Aloha box. Next, we have a Manuskin Soothing Hawaii Facial Oil. That looks cool. Really embracing this Hawaiian theme. It says it's good for all skin types. It is made in the UK, and it is 30 mLs. You know what? I have gotten away from doing that. Let me go back. The Hask is made in the USA. The peel-off mask is made in the United Arab Emirates. And the Daily Concepts, I think they make them all in Mexico. Yes, is made in Mexico. So now we know about that. Let's read about this, and then we'll put a little on my hand. This is the Monu Professional Skincare Soothing Hawaiian Facial Oil. It says that the full size is 100 ml and is $39. We have 30 ml, which makes this, what, right around $12-ish. This gentle facial oil provides the ideal treatment to relax and comfort irritated and sensitive skin. They're speaking my language. Created using a careful combination of hydrating sandalwood and soothing lavender essential oils, your skin will feel comfortable throughout the entire day. Tip: taking a few drops, rub the oil upward in circulatory motions on the skin for optimal application. You know, I'm studying all about this gua sha, and I need a new oil. Not that I don't have plenty of oils, but all the oils I have seem to really aggressively do something. So I love the idea. Oh my, this is just a big open hole. How in the world? Oh my goodness. How in the world are you not going to get too much of this? All right, I'm going to put the back of my hand on it and do that. Yeah, and then I scraped it back across it. That's, I mean, I guess if I was freshly face cleansed, I could do that same thing with my palm, but that needed a better application. Oh, it smells really nice though. Heavy on the lavender. It said it had lavender oil in it, and you can absolutely smell the lavender. It feels good though. You can see it on the back of my hand, but I mean, I almost didn't get it here in time. It is absorbing so well. Yeah, I'm going to definitely try. I mean, it's gone on the back of my hand. It just absorbs so well. Wow. I mean, can you tell it's hardly shiny anymore? All right, that was another winner. Short of it needed a better application process, the product feels fantastic. Next, I have the Polar Northern Lights Smoothing Cream. That is what that looks like. Let's see what the paperwork says. I don't know what this is. It says that it is a deluxe mini, which is also, by the way, what they called this oil, a deluxe mini. Polar Northern Light Smoothing Fluid. In the height of summer, no one wants a dull complexion. This face fluid is packed with Siberian olive, rich in vitamin C, and salicylic acid to give you a radiant skin with tighter pores and more refined skin surface. Combining a light fluid texture and a matte finish, it's the ideal base for warm weather. Although it says it has vitamin C, it's really only in the olive oil, so I am definitely going to give this a try. And it says, tip, urban pollution sucks. Those air pollutants can wreak havoc on your skin, so make sure you apply the skin cream before traveling to urban areas. This is a deluxe mini worth $22. The full size would be $46. Normally, I wouldn't dig right in if something said it had vitamin C in it, but this just says that there's some vitamin C in the olive oil, so we're going to give this a try. I could use a lighter cream right here at summer. I have been using my Tatcha Dewy, and it's getting a little heavy now that it's getting really humid outside. Oh, it's just got a really nice light scent. I like that a lot. Oh, it feels fantastic. Granted, I just put it over that oil, but you know what? I would put it over the oil anyway. Oh, wow. That feels great. And it absorbed, and it did leave me kind of matte. I mean, there's a little shine to it because it's not completely dried down yet. But, oh, wow, that feels fantastic. I am definitely trying that on my face. Okay, last but not least, I have Palm Balm. Lip and Cheek Balm and Color. And it's from the Beauty Crop. And that is what that looks like. So let's dig right in here. My color is Mauve Wave. Yay, I'm so excited. I would normally get, you know, like rusty brick. So that is what the top looks like. Let's open this baby up. Ooh, and that's what the inside looks like. It looks awesome for cheek and lips for me. That is so cool. Let's swatch a little bit of it. It feels like it would be a lip balm or a cheek balm. I'll just give it one swipe on my hand. Oh, it is a very nice flush of color. I like that a lot. You know, if you were doing a bare makeup day where you weren't wearing much makeup, this would be so pretty. I like it. This is a full-size Beauty Crop Palm Balm. Take a breather with a 2-in-1 combo that enhances your lips and cheeks with a lovely shade of peachy rose. Formulated with coconut and apricot kernel oil, your skin will have a gorgeous, fresh, tropical glow, and it is a $21 value. Can't find your cheeks? Make a guppy face, suck in the sides of your face, and voila! The uppermost part of your face that's not sucked in is your cheekbones. It's an old trick. But see how low mine is? And I really go way up here. I wouldn't. I'm just saying. Guppy face. You know what? I just blended that out a little bit. I hope you guys can still tell. See how it just blended out to a really nice sweet pink? I hope you guys can see that. It is so pretty. My hand, this hand between the oil and the Polar, it feels fantastic. This one with just the oil feels pretty darn good too. All right, so that is my July 2020 Glossybox. I got that really quick. I feel like I just did my June one. So my June one came late and my July one came early. So I've had two really close here together. And this one had the Manuskin Hawaii facial oil in it, the Beauty Crop Cheek and Lip Balm, the Polar Facial Moisturizer, the Daily Concept Cleanser for your body, the Freeman Black Salt Scrub Peel Off Mask. I feel like I want to do this on a video. I don't know why I feel so adventurous that I would put both a salt and peel off mask on my face. Let me know below if you think I should. I feel a little adventurous of it. And we got two of these Hask coconut oil hair masks. I'm really happy with that for $21. I am really excited to try this, especially now that I'm trying to do some of the gua sha, because you put a good oil on while you do your pulling. I'm learning more. We'll be talking about it soon. And the Polar oil, I'm anxious to try both of these. Like I said, my face is, I mean, it looks pretty happy, but it's a little heavy with the Tatcha Dewy. I think it's a little much for summer. All right, let me know below what you think of this Glossybox. Like I said, I will put my link below because they gave me a discount code last month and I bet it's still good. So if you have any interest, give that a try. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope you are having a great weekend. I will see you really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care out there, guys.